welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the tarot cards with you. We've got 4 this week. I just go with what I feel, I just tune in and say how many cards, what sort of cards, and I just let go and go with it. So here we go. First of all, we have the 8 of Pentacles, followed by the 6 of Swords, King of Cups, and then finally, a lot of you would be pleased to see this, the 10 of Wands. So I do feel like because of these 2 cards, there is more movement this week. Like some of the past weeks have been a bit stagnant, a bit stuck, a bit like, oh God, get me out of this place. Now I feel gradually, slowly but surely things are moving through, and yeah. So the message that they've just also given me, my angels and guides, is you're ready to take action now. You're ready to start getting going. So if the past few weeks have been about, looking within and really getting yourself ready to make that leap, make that jump. Now with the 8 of Pentacles, this is, going for it. This is a person that they're head down, they're busy, they're working on their craft. So for some of you, that's all you need to know. It's just that it's going to be a busy week. You've really now got your head down. You feel a lot more sure of yourself, centered. You've got yourself back on track, and now it's all systems go and you're busy working there. Now this indicates working not just for the here and now, but working for the future. So for many of you, you're trying to create something magnificent. You're trying to build something that's not just going to benefit you over the next few months, but it really is. You're trying to set up the foundations for the future. Yeah, so I'm just getting a personal message coming through. Thank you. Yeah, so this is what you're trying to do. This can also represent going it alone, doing your own thing. I'm just looking at the other cards here. Yeah, doing your own thing. So if you are employed and you've been wondering, could I do something on my own? Could I start a side business with a view to going on my own? Could I take a job or could I retrain so I've got more independence in my role? This is what this is all about. You just thinking, I can do this. I can absolutely do this on my own. So this is very strong for setting up your own business, going self-employed, going freelance, taking more responsibilities on in your job. If that doesn't relate, then it might just be you're just busy. So it could be building a home, building the family structure and the foundations and getting them really solid before you move forward. So you are moving, you're starting to move now again. You've getting your confidence back. We mentioned that last week, didn't we? You're getting your confidence and your faith and your trust back. And this is a message to say, look, yeah, you've been through some stormy waters. You can see that with the waters there. But you are heading in the right direction. This person is sailing into a calmer time, more peaceful seas. Everyone like, phew. And yeah, we have, it's just been going like this. Overall, the universe is trying to get us to let go of stuff that we're done with. We've absolutely had it. And it will go through a series of energy, like a few weeks, where the energy is about like letting go and releasing and purging and transmuting and all of that. And then it will be back on track, like think about who you are. And so we're just going through these different cycles over these years. This is all meant to be. So you are heading in the right direction. Your boat is pointed in the right direction. We had the Knight of Cups last week. We've got the King of Cups this week. So this is telling us that, now this might be someone else, giving you this offer. Do you remember last week we talked about someone perhaps offering proposals, helping you, guiding you, supporting you? Could be the same person. They came into your life last week and they're still helping you this week. It will be from the heart. You can trust them. You can absolutely trust them. Um, and it will be lovely as well. You will just feel comfortable with this person. You'll feel happy. You'll feel at ease. They're very good listeners. They're very good coaches. Very good mentors. It could even be a new person coming into your life. So maybe now you're really getting on a roll that this is a brand new person coming in with another idea, another opportunity, another proposal, perhaps. Or it could be you. These cards, these royal cards can be you. So is there something somewhere in your life where you are helping, where you are supporting and loving and nurturing and helping people? Represents the father as well, so there might be some connections there. Finally, oh, thank God, the Ten of Wands. I say it because I myself have been going through all the things. Oh dear, it's been interesting, hasn't it? So the Ten of Wands, this is you with this weight on your shoulders. You see the picture there, carrying this burden and thinking, am I ever going to get through this? Can I get to the end? Can I reach a 10 talks about the end. So this means that the end is in sight. So if there's an aspect of your life that's been heavy, that's been difficult, that's been stressful, it may be, just maybe, coming to an end this week, or certainly you will be able to see the finish line in your sights. You'll get a really strong sense. Excuse me. I'm going to take some water because, excuse me, they're actually building up the energy loads because this really relates to me as well. So, that's what they do. They kind of build up the energy for me. And sometimes as I'm speaking, I'm trying to not let it wash over me too much. And in the suppression of that, then I end up coughing. So anyway, yeah. So this is about getting to the end of something. The end, it's in sight. You can see it. You can sense it. You kind of get the idea. You're nearly done with this. And this card comes with so much relief. Phew, so much relief. All right, I hope it's a great week and thank you so much for watching.